Y'all, I'm grinding and getting it in today. All day, every day. Damn near 24/7. I got domino sets starting. It's uh it's that time of the year. It's gifting season. Um I got a lot going on. This is the everyday life of a crafter. This table is off the chain. I gotta wait for things to cure and dry before I start putting things up. But I got a few things going on that I wanted to show you. It's on and popping. On and popping. Look at this piece, y'all. I meant to videotape this earlier and I didn't. In his hands. And that's what the back is looking like. Gifts for all occasions, all ages, all genders, all seasons. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You can reach me at Davis Sweet Taste Bakers at gmail.com. You can reach me on IG, direct message at Tracy Sweet Touch Production. And my business phone number is 734-460-5014. Support. Reach out and touch. Okay, let me keep getting busy. Let me keep at it.